Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the planet Odachi, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss ever born that. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. That is this year. Make up flower.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
there might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Akoto. I know you are there. Come on, Akoto.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the DuPay app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so when I'm sick of mommy. Give me my money. Me, Jim Sika.
We didn't know who. What your DuPay is here? Yes, Karanabe. Your DuPay. DuPay is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is Kano Kana Abrosono.
Jim Sika.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Hey. So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mini.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using Flora tissues, my dear, because the Flora tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun, thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom?
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell Auntie.
Fachemi. I just love how it feels.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? That shocks safe.
Hello.
Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may try to this here. Yeah, okay, right. Tell me my boy.
Help you make the
Nice
most
one.
of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Charmy to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Charmy to pay.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
Welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Wallahs Academy, Bishop Herman College, and Konongo Odumase Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Wallahs Academy is represented by
David Oguzi
and
Watson Benoni.
Kindly tell us about your journey in this year's competition.
It has been training, but we hope for the best.
I wish you the best. Oh, won't you welcome them? Bishop Herman College is represented by
Salifu Prince
and
Tata George.
So Bishop Herman comes into the contest as the seeded school. Bishop Herman, how has your journey been in this year's competition?
It's been great by God's grace.
Okay, so I wish you the best. Then we have Konongo Odumase Senior High School, being represented by
Chumesi Edward
and
Apiji Desmond.
Kindly tell us about your journey in this year's competition.
Okay, so our journey has been great, and we are hoping that God is going to make it better this time.
Amen. So you are all welcome, contestants. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Go PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupe Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Galmac Foundation. My name is Dr. Gladys Naodeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. So, contestants, we have 5 rounds of competition. Each has its rules. But in all rounds, except round 3, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should you be asked to repeat your answer, kindly repeat. Don't change it. The change will nullify everything you have said. In round 1, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you fail to answer and the bell goes out on you, or you answer and you are wrong, another school may then ring the bell to pick up the question for a bonus point when they are right, or lose a point when they are wrong. Please don't ring the bell when the school is talking or are expected to be talking, or before I tell them they are wrong. You won't be called. So I wish you the best as we start the contest. I'll be starting round 1 with Wallahs Academy. There's a preamble to all schools for this set of questions, and it reads, identify the oxidizing agent in the given reaction. Identify the oxidizing agent in the given reaction. State a reason for your answer based on the oxidation states of relevant elements. State a reason for your answer based on the oxidation states of relevant element. Wallahs Academy. S plus 4HNO3 resulting in SO2 plus 4NO2 plus 2H2O.
So
I will.
The oxidizing agent is sulfur. This is because it increased from 0 to +4 in its oxidation state, and the nitrogen in the HNO3 actually reduced from 5 to +4, making so this implies the sulfur is the oxidizing. The sulfur is the
Okay. So you are wrong. Bishop Herman.
The oxidizing agent is HNO3, and this is because nitrogen in HNO3 changes its oxidation state from +5 to +4 in NO2.
That's correct. Bishop Herman. V2O5 plus 5Ca resulting in 2V plus 5CaO. Is your mic on? Okay. You speak.
V2O5, and this is because vanadium in V2O5 changes its oxidation state from +5 to 0 in V.
That is correct. Konongo Odumase. PB3O4 plus 8HCl resulting in 3PbCl2 plus Cl2 plus 4H2O. Yes, Edward. Your microphone is off.
The oxidizing agent is the PB3O4, and this is because its oxidation state has reduced to +2. From the reactant side to the product side has reduced to +2, where the reactant side, its oxidation state is +8/3.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Preamble to all schools. 2 equal length springs of force constants K1 and K2 are connected in series. Calculate the equivalent force constant of the composite spring for the given values of K1 and K2. Two equal length springs of force constants K1 and K2 are connected in series. Calculate the equivalent force constant of the composite spring for the given values of K1 and K2. Wallahs. K1 is 45 newtons per meter, and K2 is 55 newtons per meter. I will.
24.7 Newton.
Incorrect. Bishop Herman.
28 Newton per meter.
Incorrect. Bishop Herman. K1 is 85 newtons per meter, and K2 is 65 newtons per meter.
Okay. This 37 Newton per meter.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. K1 equals 42 newtons per meter, and K2 equals 28 newtons per meter. Yes, Edward.
17 Newton per meter.
Correct. So Wallahs, your answer should have been 25 newtons per meter. A common one, when I get you, give me your answer. Name one type of tropism that involves the plant hormone auxin. Name one type of tropism that involves the plant hormone auxin. Wallahs.
Phototropism.
Correct. Bishop Herman.
Geotropism.
No. Konongo.
Madam, you have thigmotropism.
That is correct. The other is gravitropism. Preamble to all schools. A biased coin is tossed thrice. If P of H equals 5/9, find the probability of obtaining. A biased coin is tossed thrice. If P of H equals 5/9, find the probability of obtaining, Wallahs, exactly 2 heads.
That's 25 on 81.
Incorrect. Konongo Odumase.
100/243.
Correct. Bishop Herman. Exactly 1 head.
3 times 18. So a fraction with numerator 80 and denominator 3 times 243.
Correct. Konongo Odumase, no head. Go ahead, Edward.
64 divided by 729.
Correct. A common one to all of you. When I get to you, give me your answer. Wallahs. So you be the first. Give the systematic name of one isomer of C4H5Br, given that it is an alkyne. Give the systematic name of one isomer of C4H5Br, given that it is an alkyne. Wallahs, yours.
Three bromo, 1 3 bromo 1 methyl 3 propine.
Incorrect. Bishop Herman.
2 bromo 1 butane.
Incorrect. Konongo Odumase.
3 bromo but 1 iron.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Okay, so the others are 1 bromo 1 butane, 4 bromo 1 butane, and 1 bromo 2 butane. Preamble to all schools. Find the impedance of a series RLC circuit at a frequency at which the reactance in the circuit has modulus X, given that find the impedance of a series RLC circuit at a frequency at which the reactance in the circuit has modulus X, given that Wallahs, R equals 15 ohms and X equals 36 ohms. Konongo Odumase.
39 ohms.
Correct. Bishop Herman. R equals 3.2 ohms and X equals 2.4 ohms.
$4.0 ohms.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. R equals 2.4 ohms and X equals 1.8 ohms. Go ahead.
3.0 ohms.
Correct. Another common one to all of you, when I get to you, give me your answer. Mention one autosomal recessive disorder that affects the metabolic system. Mention one autosomal recessive disorder that affects the metabolic system. Wallahs Academy.
As kidney failure.
Incorrect. Bishop Herman.
Sickle cell anemia.
Incorrect. Konongo.
We have hemophilia.
Incorrect. So these ones affect the metabolic system. Cystic fibrosis, phenylketonuria, galactosemia, homocystinuria, lysosomal storage disease, alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, Wilson's disease, hemochromatosis, glycogen storage disease. Last set, preamble. Solve for x, for real x given, solve for real x given Wallahs. 2 log base 3 of x minus log base 3 of the expression x plus 4 equals 2. Konongo Odumase.
X is 3.
Incorrect. Bishop Herman. 2 log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of the expression x plus 3 equals 2.
X equals 6.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. 2 log base 3 of x minus log base 3 of the expression x minus 2 equals 2. Yes, Edward.
X is equal to 6 or 3.
Correct. That's the end of the first round. Okay. So I have 3 challenges here. As for the first for for Bishop Herman, your geotropism, you get it. But Bishop Herman is also saying that thigmotropism, as stated by Konongo, is incorrect. Please check your facts right. Oxen is also involved in thigmotropism. Then, Konongo Odumase, I gave you 2 out of 3 for your chemistry. And it's because, yes, you mentioned PB 304, but in the reason, you never mentioned that it was PB that was decreasing. You kept using it. That meant PB 304. You never mentioned PB decreasing, but you gave all the other reasons. So I gave you 2 out of 3 for not mentioning PB. It was PB that was decreasing. That's why I gave you 2 out of 3. So at the end of the first round, Wallahs Academy had 3 points. Bishop Herman College had 18 points. And Konongo Odumase Senior High School had 21 points. It's time for the Prudential Life Speed Race. This is round 2. In this round, each question comes to all schools. And you may take turns in answering. As soon as you're ready with your answer, you ring the bell, whether I'm talking or anyone is talking. You ring the bell. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. This round, as soon as you are called on to give your answer, you should start giving your answer, because if 3 seconds elapse and you haven't started giving your answer, a bell will go out on you and your answer will be considered wrongly given. You starting by saying, and we have, and this is what we have worked out, and no, it doesn't, those will not count. Go straight to the point. If not, the bell will go out on you, you lose a point. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. I wish you all the best. We start the speed race. After 58.0 hours, only 3.10 grams of a 99.2 gram sample of a radionuclide remains. Yes, Konongo Odumase.
11.6 hours.
Correct. What is the mass of 1 mole of 1 decanol? Konongo Odumase.
158 grams.
Correct. We continue. Pregabalin is an anticonvulsant analgesic medication used to treat epilepsy and anxiety. Determine the percent composition by mass of carbon in pregabalin, given its formula as C8H17NO2. Yes. Konongo Odumase.
60%.
Correct. Rank in increasing order of distance from the Sun: Earth, Jupiter, Mars. Yes, Bishop Herman.
So we have Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn.
Incorrect. Konongo.
Mars, Earth, Jupiter.
Incorrect. Mars, Saturn, and Okay, what else?
Mars, Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn.
Incorrect. So I was finishing Saturn and Venus. So the answer is Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. A heat engine has a thermal efficiency of 25% if it absorbs 800 kilojoules of heat from a hot bath at 1000 Kelvin. Find the useful. Yes, Konongo.
Okay, it is given by 200 kilojoules.
Correct. A 2-kilogram object is pushed from rest across a rough horizontal surface to a speed of 3 meters per second over a distance of 5 meters by a constant 2 Newton force acting in the direction of the object's motion. Find the magnitude of the work done by friction. Bishop Herman.
100 joules.
Incorrect. It is 1 joule. Which phylum is characterized by pentameral symmetry? Bishop Herman.
Phylum Echinodermata.
That is correct. What name is given to the largest population of any single species an area can hold that is determined by available energy? Yes, Konongo.
The carrying capacity.
Correct. Which phylum of worms has a tough outer cuticle that... Yes, Konongo.
Phylum Platyomentis.
No, please. That undergoes a dices. It is nematoda. Find the area of the region between 2 concentric circles of radii, 36 centimeters and 24 centimeters. Leave answer in pi. Yes, Bishop Herman.
It is 720 pi centimeters square.
That is correct. Find an equation in x and y in the form y equals f of x from the equations x equals 2t minus 7 and y equals 2t squared minus 8. T squared minus 8. Yes, Konongo.
X plus 7 all squared divided by 4. That expression plus y plus 8 is equal to 1.
Incorrect. Bishop Herman.
You have the expression y is equal to a fraction with numerator x plus 7, that fraction squared, and denominator 4, or that fraction minus 8.
That is correct. Find the least value and the greatest value of the quadratic expression x squared minus 10x plus 15 in the interval 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7. Konongo Odumase.
The least value is -1 and the greatest value is -6.
That's incorrect. Bishop Herman.
The least value is -10 and the greatest value is -1.
Correct. That's the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race. Each table will get a sheet of paper. Don't touch it till I ask you to, okay? Thank you. At the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race, Wallahs Academy had 2 points, Bishop Herman College had 26 points, and Konongo Odumase Senior High School had 32 points. Contestants, this is the third round. In this round, we are going to solve the problem of the day. This is a common question that you all have to solve. It is worth 10 points, and you have 4 minutes to solve the problem of the day on the screens provided. After the 4 minutes, I would assess your solutions, award you points. Then I would read out what was suggested by our consultant. So kindly stand up. Don't start anything. Go back to your school logos. Now turn around to look, no, the way you are standing, everybody should face this way. Now you may pick up the sheets and let's read together. Arrange the following to show the sequence of the active process of inspiration, that is breathing in humans. Arrange the following to show the sequence of the active process of inspiration in humans. A. Air therefore enters the lungs, inflating the alveoli until the air pressure in the lungs is equal to that of the atmosphere. As a result, the pressure in the thorax, and hence the lungs, is reduced to less than atmospheric pressure. At the same time, the diaphragm muscles contract. Both actions increase the volume of the thorax. The external intercostal muscles contract and the internal intercostal muscles relax. This flattens the diaphragm. This pulls the rib cage up and out. That's A to G. You have 4 minutes to rearrange these, starting now. Stop writing. So our contestants have put their solutions on the board. This problem is a biology problem, and contestants were to arrange to show the sequence of active process of inspiration that's breathing in and humans. So for this one, the first one is the external intercostal muscles contract and the internal intercostal muscles relax. That is E. 2 points for that. For G and C, whichever you bring first is fine because they happen at the same time. So this pulls the rib cage up and out. At the same time, that's G and C, at the same time, the diaphragm muscles contract. So 1 for each of those. And this flattens the diaphragm, 1 point, that's F. Then both actions increase the volume of the thorax, 1 point. Then B, as a result, the pressure in the thorax and hence the lungs is reduced to less than atmospheric pressure, 2 points. Then the last one, A, air therefore enters the lungs, inflating the alveoli until the air pressure in the lungs is equal to that of the atmosphere. 2 points for that. So, Konongo Odumase got, in fact, for this one, I was generous. Once you got the position right, you get it. So Konongo Odumase had 3 points. Bishop Herman College had 7 points. And Wallahs Academy had 8 points. So Bishop Herman College wants to make a change. So Agbawe Olakemi Komla is coming in for Prince Salifu. You're welcome, Komla. Thanks for being with us, Prince. Please change back to your school logos. Good. So this is round 4. In this round, I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether it's true or false. When you're right, 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. If you decide not to answer, then another school may ring their bell after the bell has gone out on you to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. This is the Jupe true or false round. And for this round, Jupe is going to offer some money to each school competing if alumni of the school send money to Ghana through Jupe money transfer. All you need to do is to use the Jupe special promo code for each school. So each school has a special promo code. So that's how it works. When an alumnus from your school or of your school sends money to Ghana through Jupe, it won't cost them anything, but for each transaction that they use the promo code for the school, Jupe would give the school $20 for development projects in the school. So alumni out in the diaspora, this is your opportunity to make some money for your school without you having to dip into your pockets. You just use the promo code. So for Wallahs Academy, yours is Wallahs, all in capital letters, WALLAHS. For Bishop Herman, yours is Biheco, capital, all in capital letters, BIHECO. Then Konongo Odumase, yours also in capital letters, Konongo Odumase, no spacing, KONONGO This is your promo code. So Wallahs, you have yours. Bishop Herman College, you have yours. And Konongo Odumase, you also have yours. So all alumni in the diaspora of these schools make some money for your school by sending money to Ghana through JuPay. The True or False round is proudly sponsored by JuPay Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via JuPay. I wish you all the best. I'm starting the 4th round with Wallahs Academy. The presence of double bonds in alkenes means all alkenes exhibit geometric isomerism.
False.
Correct. Bishop Herman. A hydrocarbon with general formula CnH2n, so C subscript N, H subscript 2n, is an alkene.
False.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. The pi bond in alkenes is formed by the overlap of 2 p orbitals, which introduces rigidity around the CC double bond. Yes, go ahead.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. An object is in free fall near Earth's surface. An object is in free fall near Earth's surface. Wallahs. The object moves with nearly constant velocity.
That's false.
Correct. Bishop Herman. The net force on the object is 0.
False.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. The object moves with nearly constant acceleration. Go ahead. Edward.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble. The given structure releases hormones within the endocrine system. The given structure releases hormones within the endocrine system. Wallahs. Liver.
False.
Correct. Bishop Herman. Thyroid.
True.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. Pancreas. Go ahead, Desmond.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The function f of x has no finite stationary point. The function f of x has no finite stationary point. Wallahs. F of x equals x.
True.
Correct. Bishop Herman. F of x equals 1 over x.
False.
Incorrect. Konongo Odumase. F of x equals the expression, the square of the expression x minus 2.
False.
Correct. Wallahs. Ground level ozone is beneficial for human health as it absorbs UV radiations.
False.
Correct. Bishop Herman. Sulfur dioxide emissions can lead to the formation of acid rain.
True.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas that can be harmful when inhaled. Yes, Desmond.
True.
Correct. Wallahs. The weight of an object in a fluid equals the weight of the fluid.
False.
Correct. Bishop Herman. The weight of a fluid is greater than the weight of an object submerged in it.
It's false.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. The weight of a fluid acts upward on an object submerged in it.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The given character evolved to adapt birds for flight. The given character evolved to adapt birds for flight. Wallahs. A cross-current system of respiratory exchange.
False.
Correct. Bishop Herman. Spindle-shaped body.
True.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. Pneumatization of bones. Yes, that's one.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The center of the circle, Wallahs. X squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 6y equals 10 is 2 negative 6.
False.
Correct. Bishop Herman. X squared plus y squared plus 5x minus 7y equals 15 is negative 5 over 2, 7 over 2.
True.
Correct. Konongo Odumase. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y equals 20 is 6 negative 10. Yes, Desmond.
False.
Correct, and that's the end of the Jupe true or false round. At the end of the Jupe true or false round, Wallahs Academy had 26 points. Bishop Herman College had 46 points. And Konongo Odumase Senior High School had 48 points. Contestants, we are in our final round, round 5. In this round, we have 4 riddles to solve. I'll be giving you clues to help solve the riddles. Each riddle comes to all schools. So if you are able, you may take turns in solving. If you are able to solve the riddle on clue 1, you earn 5 points. Clue 2, 4 points. From the third to the last, 3 points. As soon as you are ready with your solution, you ring the bell. I give you the opportunity. If you don't get it right, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. If there's any after that, you join us. In this round, we have the Go Riddle Bonanza, which would reward a school that is able to solve either 4 or 5 riddles correctly, or 3 or 4 riddles correctly. If you're able to solve 3 correctly, you earn for your team 1,200 Ghana cedis. If you're able to solve all 4 riddles correctly, you earn for your team 1,600 Ghana cedis. The Go Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goyle Good Energy. So, we start with round 5. I wish you all the best. I am a non-metal element. I exist as a diatomic molecule. I'm highly reactive. My name is derived from the Greek word for my color, which is greenish. Yes, Bishop Herman.
Chlorine.
Correct. I am an optical device. I am composed of an optical cavity. I contain a gain medium enclosed by the, yes, Wallahs.
Laser.
Correct. We are a genus of ferns with a name that sounds like an insect vector. We are a genus of 6 or 7 species of aquatic ferns of the family Salviniaceae. We are distributed nearly worldwide, but are most diverse in tropical regions. We float on the surface of still fresh waters, sometimes becoming stranded on muddy banks. We are cultivated for our agricultural importance, as well as sometimes in water gardens for our ornamental value. Our name is an allusion to the fact that we sometimes thoroughly cover the surface of a pond or other body of water, preventing mosquitoes and other insects from penetrating through to the water to lay eggs. Who are we? Konongo Odumase.
You are the genus Philosophyta.
No, please. Bishop Herman.
Pond ferns.
No. Wallahs rang. Okay. And mosquito fans. I'm a statistical measure. I'm a measure of variability of data. There are different measures of variability. I'm a particular measure of dispersion. I am without doubt the most important and most used measure of dispersion. I'm the standard for measures of dispersion or deviation from the mean. Who am I, Bishop Herman?
Mean deviation.
No.
Standard deviation.
That is correct. That's the end of the contest. Let's continue. So, no school wins the Gold Riddle Bonanza. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which promises to be exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Dupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from 7th to 23rd November 2024. Join us to delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. So at the end of this contest has been something. These are the scores. Wallahs Academy ended the contest with 32 points. Let's give them. Konongo Odumase Senior High School ended with 48 points. Konongo Odumase Senior High School and Wallahs Academy, you both fought hard, but today was not your day. I wish you the best in whatever you do. Bishop Herman College, you won the contest with 49 points. And for winning this contest, you have qualified for the quarterfinal stage. Congratulations to you. I wish you the best as you go on. I pray you go beyond the quarterfinal stage. If your score is the highest for the day or remains the highest for the day, you will win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudi Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.